Kia ora, I'm Kyle from Abel Tasman Kayaks. In this video, we want to show you what we provide and what you should bring for your Abel Tasman kayaking adventure. Every kayak comes with essential safety gear, like buoyancy aids, spray skirts, windbreakers, pump, emergency flares, and a waterproof mat. We'll also give you a dry bag for your camera so you can capture those special moments while out on your trip. All our kayaks have watertight storage compartments to keep your gear dry. Check out our separate packing video to see how much space you have. So what do you need to bring? Sea kayaking means you can be a lot more generous with what you bring. On our guided tours, we provide you with a lot of what you need. Whereas on rentals, you need to be more self-sufficient. So check out our suggested packing list on our website. On all trips, we suggest you wear quick dry shorts, t-shirt and a hat. Most people go barefoot in the kayak, but we recommend you have walking shoes or closed sandals on standby for the land. They call it Sunny Nelson for a reason, so sunscreen and sunglasses are a must. Don't forget to pack any personal medication and insect repellent. All campsites and huts have fresh water. Some sites have filtered water, and for the rest, the Department of Conservation recommend that you treat or boil the water for at least 3 minutes before you drink it. Bring a change of clothes for the end of the day. On guided tours, we provide all food, designed around your health, energy, and length of time on the water. This includes fresh plunger coffee, hot and cold beverages, and on our iconic classic overnight tours, a glass of wine or beer are provided complimentary to complete the day. If you're hiring a kayak, you need to bring your own food. Dehydrated, tinned, packet meals are an easy, tasty option. In summer, keeping things cool can be difficult, so make sure you plan your meals. Check out our website for some suggested meal plans. If you're staying overnight in a Department of Conservation hut or campsite, you need camping and cooking equipment. If you don't have any of this camping equipment or are coming from afar, don't worry. We've got you covered with everything you need to hire. Everyone needs a pre-purchased Department of Conservation pass to stay in the national park. On any of our package trips, these are included. Once again, check out our website or confirmation email for all the information you need. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the water.